You standing on it, Damon? You standing on his baby maker, kid?
Oh, damn.
Wake it up.
Oh, y'all have equipment, holy shit, that sucks. Let's get that home.
I'm scared of balls. That hurts.
What do you feel on your feet?
I don't think he can feel it right now, Damon. Maybe check back in about 2 hours.
Oh, it looks like he wet his pants.
What?
See? There's a little dark thing there.
J.J. Wentworth success story.
I'm gonna stand on it.
Receiving instructions.
This sounds like he's croaking.
I know.
Or wasn't a
Oh,
credit card.
I'm making him look at it.
They help me. It's your letter.
Your glasses are right by you if you're looking for them.
Call 866-593-0611. 866-593-0611.
How the fuck did my phone get over there? Oh, yeah. Just leave it over there.
Everybody, Jerry Robbins inviting you to join me tonight for Unreliable Sources. We'll have the latest live from Casey Andrews.
Do it.
I spit my arm. Now I'm gonna drool it in. Now watch this. I'm gonna spit on his face.
God, it sounds like he's freaking croaking.
That's the next Unreliable Sources.